Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix selected disk as an MBR partition table on ASUS VIVOBOOK PRO. So, first, power off our computer and power it on back again while spamming the escape button. Now go into the Enter setup, click F7 to open advanced mode. With the arrows on keyboard, go right to advanced and down to VMD setup menu, click Enter. Once again, go down to enable VMD controller and click Enter to change to disable. Again, Enter to click OK, then F7 to exit the advanced mode and F10 to save and exit. Now click Enter to confirm and spam escape once again. Now select the boot menu. In boot menu, select the USB. Wait for it to load, and now click the with mouse you can just click next, but if you don't have mouse, click Alt, left Alt, and the highlighted letter underlined. So in English it's N for next, but if you're using other language then it's other letter. So Alt and N. Once again, now you can of course change the keyboard input with arrow down and up. So let me select it, and now Alt and N for me. Click now Alt and here the highlighted letter, so it's A for me, and then next. Once again click Alt and underlined letter, so A. And as you can see, we don't have this problem now. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.